Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Unique New York. All right, we good. What's up, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, the customer service lead here with Reshoevn8r, and for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, we're gonna be comparing our signature shoe cleaning kit with our essential kit on these trashed all white Air Max 95s. They're pretty beat. The shoe does have mesh, so we always recommend using our signature shoe cleaning kit. However, if you only have our essential, we are gonna demonstrate how the shoe will clean up as well. I do wanna make sure you guys are tapped into this whole video because we do have a pretty dope prize pack we're trying to hook you guys up with. So if you wanna win an awesome bundle, make sure you guys are tuned in for the whole video. Without further ado, let's hop straight into this cleaning. All right, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are gonna go ahead and use our signature and essential kit on both of these shoes. We're gonna start with our signature shoe cleaning kit. So let's go ahead and just set this one aside. First things first, you do wanna have a small bowl filled with about 3 to 4 ounces of water. You're gonna wanna grab your Reshoevn8r solution, the magic potion, and squirt about 2 squirts in there, maybe 3. First things first, we do wanna go ahead and remove these shoelaces so we could insert our adjustable shoe tree. So let's get straight to it. All right, the laces are removed, so now it's time to insert our adjustable shoe tree. One common question we get about this is, how do we know what hole to adjust the shoe trees to? Unfortunately, there isn't a set guideline. This is because all shoes can fit differently. What I mean by this is like a Yeezy size 10 can fit differently than an Air Max size 10. Let's see, what do you know? These are a size 10, so we're gonna wanna guesstimate. Let's adjust it back to the 4th hole back. See if this is good. Insert the shoe tree like so. Gonna wanna push down. Boom. Now we got that nice hard toe box to apply as much pressure as we need to during the cleaning process, as well as it will hold that form and integrity of the shoe while it's in the washer. As always, we are gonna start off this cleaning with our soft bristle brush, attack these uppers, and break down as much dirt and grime as possible. So let's go. All right, I'm all done with those uppers using our soft bristle brush. However, there still are deeper stains that are trapped in this mesh area. I'm not too worried about it because, like I said, we are gonna put it through the laundry system, so I have no doubt that it's gonna flush out some of those deeper stains. However, I haven't got the midsole, so I'm gonna use our medium brush, focus on those midsoles, as well as just give it a quick little touch up on some of those deeper stains. All right, as I'm working on these midsoles, I do just want to give you guys some fun facts in regards to the Air Max 95s. If you didn't know, a little backstory about the shoe is it's actually designed off the human body's anatomy. So you got your midsole here. This is supposed to be the spine of the shoe. These graduated panels are actually supposed to be the muscles. You have your lace loops right here. These are actually the rib cage of the shoe, and the mesh is supposed to be the skin. I think it's a pretty dope concept. All right, guys, we're all done using that medium bristle brush. The last step is just to tackle this outsole. We are gonna do that using our stiff bristle brush. So let's go. This outsole is looking nice and perfect. The last thing we're gonna go ahead and do for this pre-treatment is go ahead and take care of our shoelaces. What we're gonna do is throw our shoelaces inside our collapsible bowl with solution, dunk them around a little bit. Just let that solution settle in there before we grab them out. Put them between our hands and let's go ahead and scrub a dub-dub. Gonna grab our soft bristle brush and tackle some of these deeper stains that are still in there. See if it helps. All right, guys, this pre-treatment is all done. We got the shoe done, we got the shoelaces. Now we need to grab our sneaker laundry bag, Put our shoe in here. The shoelace also have a little pouch. You could pop those up in there. This pouch is also designed to keep your sneaker laundry detergent. So if you got a pod, you go ahead and just pop it in there. All right, guys, the shoes are all in the bag. I'm gonna go to the laundry room, grab a pod, wash these with cold water on a normal cycle. While they're in the wash, we're gonna come back and treat this shoe using our essential shoe cleaning kit. So I'll catch you guys in a few. All right, that first sneaker is in the washer. Now it's time to work on the second one using our essential shoe cleaning kit. To start it off, we're gonna remove these shoelaces and attack these uppers with our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I'm pretty much done using our soft bristle brush. I broke down as much as dirt and grime as possible. Gonna pretty much follow the same steps as I did with the previous shoe. However, when I'm on our medium bristle brush, I am just gonna show a little more attention to detail just to get out some of these deeper stains since it's not going in the laundry system. So let's hop right into that. Finally done with our medium bristle brush, so let's wipe off some of these suds and see what we're working with. I do also have to just hit up this outsole with that stiff bristle brush. So as I dry these off, I'm just gonna get right into that. Bam. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and just get our shoelaces and give these the same treatment as before. All right, guys, these are all done. We're gonna go ahead and set these outside to dry. We're gonna come back with the other shoe and compare them side by side. And we're back. We did go ahead and let these shoes dry for about 24 hours, so let's go ahead and compare the results. With the first shoe, we did put it through the laundry system as we always recommend when cleaning any type of mesh materials. It definitely flushed out all those deeper stains and it's looking pretty good if you ask me. Now let's go ahead and get into the essential shoe cleaning kit. For this shoe, it definitely took care of the leather, it cleaned and conditioned it. However, the issue we're coming across is that mesh. As you can see, all it did was really push around the dirt and just get it trapped in. And there's also some of those deeper stains that just wouldn't come out. That's why when cleaning any type of mesh shoe, we always recommend using our laundry system. What I like to tell customers, it's kind of like cleaning a white t-shirt. If you spill Kool-Aid on it, you could clean all day with some soap and water, but you're never gonna really get that stain out unless you actually put it in the laundry machine. Same concept with our sneaker laundry system. You guys finally made it to the end of the video, so let's get right into this giveaway. It's Air Max month. We got a bunch of crazy content and a bunch of giveaway we're doing this month. So in this video, we're doing our Air Max bundle giveaway. You can win a signature shoe cleaning kit, our dry and bowl rack combo, a water and stain repellent, and a dry suede kit. It's perfect for cleaning any of your Air Maxes. All you gotta do to win is comment below what your favorite Air Max is. If it's the 95 or if you like the 90s more. With your Instagram handles, and our social media team will contact you in about 48 hours. My name's Robert. Hopefully I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.